When fuel-related issues come up today, you may think there's something wrong with your machine. The truth is, it might be your fuel. First, let's get a better understanding of Tier 4 engine technology. Tier 4 standards are mandated for every compact equipment manufacturer. They've all introduced engine emission technology that include high-pressure fuel systems and exhaust after-treatment systems. Today's diesel engines run cleaner than ever before, but this makes them highly susceptible to contaminants because the high-pressure common rail, or HPCR, uses extremely precise components. Fuel pressures have risen dramatically to as high as 30,000 psi. If contaminants are in the fuel, when they're combined with high pressure, erosion will occur and cause a variety of problems. So clean fuel is critical for today's engines. Fuel can vary from one supplier to the next. There is a difference. As engines have been undergoing radical design changes, the fuel industry has also seen some mandates. They're now required to remove almost all sulfur from diesel. The chemistry changes that come from ultra-low sulfur diesel make it harder for fuel suppliers to consistently provide high-performing fuels. Plus, their refining techniques and additives vary from supplier to supplier. Current fuel standards just don't address the cleanliness needed for HPCR engines. Also, if you use biodiesel, you should be aware that it requires more frequent fuel filter changes. It also creates more water-related challenges, such as microbial growth, and there's a higher risk of gelling or freeze-up in cold weather. Select the best fuel supplier. Make sure your supplier uses water-removing filters rated to 10 microns or less on their fuel delivery lines. And to avoid gelling, confirm that they use a good winter blend of number 1 and number 2 diesel with a low cloud point temperature. Keep spare fuel filters around at all times. Make sure you have a spare filter on hand for every HPCR engine in your fleet, and use only the correct Bobcat filter to ensure the best component protection. Here are a few best practices to follow. Refill each machine's fuel tank at the end of a work shift. This will help to reduce condensation. Use clean fuel cans, dedicated for diesel only, and store them inside. Drain the machine's fuel filter water trap daily. Make sure you follow all cold weather starting procedures. And if you use additives, use only Bobcat-approved fuel additives. A proactive fuel management strategy will help ensure reliable performance and prevent unexpected issues caused by fuel contaminants. Ask your dealer about Bobcat-sponsored fuel clinics or learn more from the research section on bobcat.com. These industry websites can help provide more information as well. However, Bobcat Company does not necessarily endorse the views expressed or information provided on these websites.